Hello and welcome back to another video on Scratch. Today we will be making a maze game. So like last time, just name it maze game or whatever you want to name it. Actually no, get rid of this sprite. Make your own paint, costume, convert to bitmap because it's more simple. Make this, drag it to the middle. Actually I'm going to change the colour, change it to black. Fill this in. And maybe give it some eyes. That's big. Some white. Actually, no, I'm going to get rid of the eyes. That'd be annoying. So if we go to code, now we have our square. Might scale it down a bit. This is why bitmap's good. Because scaling down is so much easier. So you could just select the entire thing. Go to code. When clicked, forever. Well, forever. And then if block. If sensing. When key pressed, we want up arrow. Point in direction 0 degrees, move, I don't know, 2.5. And then we want to copy that 4 times. Change up arrow to down arrow, point in direction, and this is extremely easy. And you could probably skip ahead, but if you don't want to, this is just how you do it. Down arrow to right arrow, and down arrow to left arrow. I need to stop it so it's less blurry. Then right arrow goes right, left arrow goes left, shockingly. And you should have a movable block thing. As I said, you can always change the looks of things, but that's just an example. Now you're going to want to make a backdrop, which is going to be your maze. So if I wanted, I don't know, let's say a yellow maze. It's not yellow. Let's find a good yellow. That's a good yellow. I could have it start in the top left corner, go down here, and yeah, you could just make your maze like this. And this can look however you want. It can look different to mine, yeah, mine's just how mine looks because I'm making it. And it doesn't matter if it has things like that, you can cover it up later if you want by just doing this. And that didn't work, but you know. And then you're going to want to add in these things to block it and just make your own maze. Next we're going to add in just the actual end goal. So if I quickly just skip ahead here, I'll be done once I'm done. Okay, now I've got my basic maze, as you can see here. If you can't fit through all of it, you've got to change the size of your sprite, which is what I'm going to do now. Just slightly scale it down, enter it, see if it can fit through everywhere. Good work. And then you want to go back to your backdrop and add a finish. And I'm going to put mine here. Make it a circle, make it green. It's more of a minty green, but still. Make it a bit larger so you can see it better. And done. That is the basics. Now you want, from the last video, you want it to always start at here. So just to make it easier, get rid of that, put that in, put that on there. So every single time you start, it'll go there. Always if sensing, and then colour yellow or whatever the colour is. So colour picker, that one. Go back to the start. Just so now that's the majority of your maze done. Don't know how that's not sending me back, just gotta make sure, yeah, it does work. It's difficult, but that is the maze. Let me just prove that it works by adding a finishing. If duplicate, highlight this, and you want it to switch backdrop to which you're about to make, and it's just gonna say, well done for completing the game. So I'm going to colour mine in red. Big backdrop, don't know why I did it with a circle, but it still works. Text, and I'll make it bigger. Make it not black. Make it black, not red, so you can see it. Upscale it. Oh, it's not letting me. Okay, well, get rid of this. Oh, no, upscale this. And we want it to go here. If touching colour green, switch backdrop to backdrop 2 and hide. So change to this backdrop and it'll disappear. So that should be the game. Quite a short video, but it's quite a simple game. Let me just prove that it works. I have to make that bigger. Before you share your game or publish it or whatever, you have to test if it works. Because if it doesn't, then no one's going to want to play it. Because it won't work. Okay. And down. Oh gosh, no. Here we go. And there. So you just gotta get through this small gap here, and you're done. That is basically the game. There's not much else to say, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.